If you want to make your Word documents look more polished and professional, one of the easiest formatting tricks to learn is how to create drop caps in Microsoft Word. A drop cap is that large first letter at the beginning of a paragraph that adds a stylish, magazine-like touch to your document. It is especially useful for reports, newsletters, articles, and any document where you want to make the opening paragraph stand out. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, click anywhere in the paragraph where you want the drop cap to appear. It does not matter exactly where in the paragraph you click, as long as your cursor is inside that paragraph. This is important because Word applies the drop cap formatting to the paragraph your cursor is currently in. Next, go up to the top of Microsoft Word and navigate to the Insert tab. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the text group. In that section, you will see the drop cap option. Click on Drop the Cap and Word will give you a few choices. The two main options you'll usually see are dropped and in margin. If you choose dropped, the large first letter will sit inside the paragraph and drop down into the lines below it. This is the most common option and gives you that classic, elegant look. If you choose in margin, the large letter will sit outside the paragraph in the margin area, which creates a slightly different style and can make the text feel more spacious. Choose the option that fits your document best. If you want the letter to blend naturally with the paragraph, select dropped. If you want it to stand out more on the side, choose in margin. As soon as you click one of these options, Word will automatically apply the drop cap to your paragraph. Now take a moment to review the result. You should see the first letter enlarged and formatted at the start of the paragraph. If it doesn't look quite right for your layout, you can always undo it and try the other drop cap style. You can also adjust your paragraph spacing afterward if needed, so the text flows the way you want. That's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can create a clean, professional drop cap in Microsoft Word and instantly improve the look of your document. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in presentation. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more helpful Word tips and formatting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.